for the right vehicle? Today could be your lucky day. This vehicle is equipped with great options, and it could be yours. Contact the dealer today, request more information, and set up a test drive right away. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
Mazda certified pre-owned vehicles provide you the peace of mind and confidence in the vehicle that you're driving. A thorough, detailed inspection conducted by a Mazda certified technician ensures that the vehicle has been properly reviewed. Mazda certified means that you have both limited and powertrain warranty and 24-hour emergency roadside assistance. Stop into your local Mazda dealer today and ask about Mazda's fantastic certified pre-owned program.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.